Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Tecno Spark Go 3 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. Okay, to do hard reset, first press and hold the power button. Now tap to power off your Tecno Spark Go 3 smartphone. Now it is successfully power off. Now here, listen carefully. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And now release and press and hold the volume down key. And now release. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Here volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So currently you are in Android recovery mode. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And guys, you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see on bottom data wipe complete. Now here simply select reboot system now. And guys, after hard set, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard set, again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set Tecno Spark Go 3 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.